overheard a white lady saying, "Why can't these foreigners just go back to their country? What are they doing here? Why must they stay in our country and be taking away all our things? We can't eat well. We can't have access to all we want because of them. They are taking our resources. They are taking our food. They are taking our clothes, our shoes, our houses, our cars, our everything. For real, I'm tired and sick of these people. Let them just start going back to their country. They are too lousy, too pompous, and many of them are stupid. They are just not the kind of people I would love to see in this environment. I wonder if there could be something that can be done by our government to take them away, but I'm not sure that could happen anytime soon. It's just so annoying seeing foreigners taking over your land." When I see a white lady, or any white person for that matter, thinking like this or showing this kind of attitude, I ask myself, do they really think we want to live in their country? Do they think they have something valuable that we don't have? What are they thinking of themselves? Who do they think they are? If not that our governments have decided to be their stooges and agents of darkness, what are we doing here? For many of us who have been living in these Western countries for many years, I've asked one question: will you like to go back home? And the prompt response I always get is, yes, what am I doing here? And I wonder if they are telling the truth or not. Then I ask further, so why are you not going home? Then they say, because of bad leadership in our country. I asked people from different African countries, and the response was the same. I was shocked to hear that. Africa has the same problem, leadership. And how do we actually solve this problem? What exactly do we do? We know it's not an easy task, but it's not impossible. We can't keep being refugees for years in a foreign land. When are we going to develop our own nations? When are we going to liberate our own people? The poverty and suffering are increasing every day, putting so much burden on us to work hard so that we can send something home for our people. We are in a state of constant pressure and stress, overworking ourselves, and feeling exhausted, that even affecting our families here, increasing the rate of divorce and marital problems. When are we going to rest? When are we going to have true freedom? We know this is an era of modern-day slavery, a form of slavery in which you voluntarily choose to put yourself under the control of a slave master. Nobody forces you. But you know the bad economy in your country has forced you. It has put pressure on you to stay away from your homeland while you keep struggling abroad to live a better life. It's so sad to see many of our leaders being nincompoops and stooges to these foreign agents who dictate what they should do and how they should run their government. This happens through the aids and loans they receive. It also happens through the meaningless conferences and summits they attend in those Western countries. It's so bad and shameful to see many of our graduates and best brains washing toilets and cleaning houses in these foreign countries. We spend most of our time doing menial, dirty jobs, while they sit in their offices directing how things should go and giving us peanuts at the end of the day as salary. It's high time we took our nations from the hands of these wolves. Their corruption, their mediocrity, their irresponsibility, and their visionlessness have gone over the roof. It's high time we stood and took back our land. We must start connecting ourselves and igniting ourselves for the battle ahead. Until we solve this problem, no other problem will be solved. It will just be like we are treating the symptoms while the main cause is still there, breathing. We must make proper diagnosis so that we can destroy the main cause once and for all. We know our primary problem is leadership, and we must all rise and take away this menace that is eating up our lives and destinies. Let's start forming coalition groups and organizations that will harness our efforts together and keep raising the awareness among our people. Let's raise support and be ready to give it all it takes to take back our lands from the hands of these wolves. I see us rising to a new height of progress and development in Africa and beyond. God bless Africa. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Why most Black people are poor. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.